Hello and welcome to What the F*** Just Happened Today, your essential guide to the daily shock and awe in national politics. I'm Joe Amditis. Let's get to it. It's Monday, July 31st, 2023. Welcome to day 923. A judge in Georgia rejected a request by Trump to toss out evidence that was gathered by a special grand jury and to remove the district attorney from the criminal investigation into Trump's attempts to overturn his 2020 election loss in that state. Fulton County Superior Court Judge Robert McBurney said that while a highly publicized criminal investigation is likely an unwelcome and unpleasant experience, the injuries that Trump claims to have suffered from the 2.5-year-long investigation are either insufficient or else speculative and unrealized. The judge also rejected a request by Kathy Latham, who served as one of Trump's fake electors in that state, and said neither her or Trump had the legal standing to block the investigation at this point. Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis is expected to present potential indictments to a regular grand jury by mid-August. Willis has asked Fulton County judges to schedule no trials during the weeks of August 7th and 14th. Trump says he assumes he'll be indicted any day now. Meanwhile, a federal judge dismissed Trump's $475 million defamation lawsuit against CNN. Trump had argued that CNN's use of the phrase "big lie" when referring to his false 2020 election fraud claims likened him to Adolf Hitler, which he said incited readers and viewers to hate, contempt, distrust, ridicule, and even fear him. A U.S. District Court judge who was appointed by Trump wrote that being Hitler-like is not a verifiable statement of fact that would support a defamation claim. The judge added, CNN's use of the phrase "the big lie" in connection with Trump's election challenges does not give rise to a plausible inference that Trump advocates the persecution and genocide of Jews or any other group of people. Meanwhile, special counsel Jack Smith accused Trump of trying to delete security camera footage at Mar-a-Lago. In a 60-page superseding indictment, prosecutors alleged that Trump asked two employees, Walt Nauta and Mar-a-Lago maintenance worker Carlos de Oliveira, to delete security footage after the Justice Department issued a subpoena for the footage. The new indictment also charges Trump with illegally holding onto a document he's alleged to have shared with visitors in New Jersey. Trump now faces 32 counts of willfully retaining national defense information under the Espionage Act and 8 counts related to alleged efforts to obstruct the investigation. And finally, Trump's Political Action Committee has spent more than $40 million this year defending him, his aides, and other allies. Since leaving office, the Save America PAC has spent about $56 million on Trump-related legal fees as he faces a federal indictment in Florida, state charges in New York, and possible criminal indictments in Washington and Georgia. And in the polls, the New York Times says 54% of Republicans say they prefer Trump to be the GOP presidential nominee. 17% said they support Ron DeSantis, Trump's nearest challenger. No other candidate topped 3% support. That's all for now. You can find the links and sources for all of these stories on the main website. And as always, visit whatthefjusthappenedtoday.com for the latest news and headlines. Until next time, I'm Joe Amditis.